Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming inputs and timing. Make sure palm strike is mapped and you have at least one stamina chunk. Approach 1-2 meters and bait a predictable attack or perform a parry to create an opening. Once done, step slightly off-center to avoid counters and press the palm input immediately as the enemy recovers. You do this to hit the chin or throat region, which maximizes stagger. Remember that positioning and a short delay after the parry matter for clean connection. You now layer the palm strike into a small combo. Deliver the palm, then immediately dash forward or input a light attack to keep frame advantage. Aim slightly upward if you need a high hit or forward for mid-body. This changes knockdown behavior. Make sure to watch enemy recovery frames. If they stagger, chain into a grab or special finisher within 1 second to guarantee the follow-up. Doing this preserves your momentum and forces opponents to reset defensively rather than counterattack. To finish, convert the palm strike stun into a throw, finisher, or safe retreat depending on enemy health and environment. If the palm misses or is blocked, immediately reset distance and bait a slower attack or feint to recreate the opening. Do not spam. Make sure you have enough stamina. Below 25%, the palm leaves you exposed, so back off to recover if needed. Practice in training to internalize timing. The why is simple. Consistent timing wins more fights than raw power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.